Wadhi weche mag somo, jatend migawo mar somo Julius Migos Ogamba wacho ni lipode mag kuo mag penj maduong' mar KCSE odok piny nyaka 418 kipimo gi 614 e higa mar 2024. Kolosi kinde limbe mare skund sekondar ma Ekerenyo e sub kaunti ma Nyamira, kaunti ma Nyamira. Ogamba omedo ni gitimo nonro margi mayango adier e wi lipodego kendo jogo ma wirgi ketho ibiro kawnegi okenge mager mag chik. Bende ni piny owacho kaachiel kod tend migawo mar somo keto okenge makare maneno ni chenro mag jopuonjre riwore kod grade mar 10 otimore maonge ng'ikruok moro amora.
While most stakeholders demonstrated commendable integrity, isolated cases of malpractice were reported. During the administration of the 2025 KCSE examination, 418 candidates were reported to have engaged in examination malpractices compared to 614 candidates in 2024. This despite the fact that this year we had the largest number of candidates at 3.4 million. Investigations are ongoing, and any individual institution found culpable will face the full force of the law under the NEC Act 2012. Measures include the registration of examination centers, nullification of results, disqualification of candidates, and criminal prosecution where necessary. Impersonation cases will attract severe sanctions, including barring candidates from sitting KCSE until 2027. The marking of the Kenya Junior Secondary Education Assessment is ongoing, and all efforts are being made to ensure results are released by the 11th of December 2025. This will enable the ministry to conduct placement of learners into senior school based on their strengths and interests in the three pathways, that is the arts and sports science, social sciences, and science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM. Early release will also allow parents to prepare adequately for admission before the festive season.